Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer. Tutorial 15, grouping layers together. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and the project that we have been working on from the previous tutorials. As you can see on screen, we have photo.psd. Let's now click on this to open up the project. Let's just wait for that to load. And now to group layers together, let's focus on the bottom right corner of the screen where we have text, icon. Let's now find the best way as to which layers need to be grouped together. That's the watermark layer, and that is the title on top. So we can group these both together using Command, and now click on the folder. That will group them together within a folder, and we can name this folder text. Or we can do the same for the images, icon, image copy, third image, folder, and images. So that itself is done. Command S, and so we can now quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.